Dear friends, there has been an ongoing debate on the contemporary legal issue of the abolition of death penalty in India. It is to be borne in mind that the death penalty is at a fundamental aspect of the criminal justice delivery system, and it has gained its moment in the 21st century with the growing prominence of the human rights movements in India and all over the world, which questioned the existence of the death penalty as unethical and uncivilized. In ancient times, precisely saying during the period of monarchies, the subjects were awarded death penalty for non-compliance of the commands of the kingdoms by beheading them in a most uncivilized manner. During the British regime, the death penalty has been made lawful in India ever since it was inserted into the Indian Penal Code of 1860. The question before the viewers is this: is the death penalty to be continued in modern democratic India even in this 21st century, where the death penalty has been abolished in toto in almost 108 countries in the whole world? As we all know that the death penalty is the harshest form of punishment available under any criminal law in existence in any part of the world. Though Article 21 of the Indian Constitution guarantees every citizen the right to life, but the state can take away one's life by legal method. But in several judgments of the Supreme Court of India, it has made in categorical terms, death penalty ought to be given only in the rarest of rare cases, but it is not adhering due to the socio-economic situation that have been existing in the Indian system. It is to be kept in mind that the Law Commission of India in its 262nd report, August 2015, proposed that the death penalty be abolished for all crimes excluding terrorism related offences and war. According to the National Law University Delhi report in 2016, reported that approximately 70% of the convicts sentenced to death in India are from socially, economically underprivileged categories that have been drawn from Dalits, OBCs, and religious minorities commission. And most importantly, the United Nations General Assembly in its 65/206 resolution reported that there is no solid proof of the death penalty's deterrent value. Hence, it is our humble request to the Supreme Court of India, which is pursuing the matter of the death penalty to be abolished in toto, has been taken cognizance by the Supreme Court of India by its new constitutional bench. Whether it is to be continued or to be abolished in toto is a million-dollar question, and we feel that India, being the strongest efforts in its efforts to democratize its institution to be on moral grounds, on legal grounds, and on also according to the parameters that have been laid by the international humanitarian law and the international humanitarian rights bodies, it should be abolished in India, the death penalty in toto, when comparing with the other 108 nations which have abolished the death penalty in toto. Thank you so much.